How to make French fries at home. Preparing French fries at home can be a delicious and satisfying experience. Here's a simple recipe to guide you through the process. Ingredients. Potatoes, russet or Idaho potatoes work well. Vegetable oil for frying. Salt to taste. Instructions. Peel the potatoes and cut them into evenly sized sticks or strips. It's recommended to aim for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 0.6 to 1.3 centimeters thick. Rinse the cut potatoes in cold water to remove excess starch. This helps achieve crispier fries. Place the potato sticks in a large bowl of cold water and let them soak for about 30 minutes. This step helps remove more starch and ensures the fries are crispier when cooked. While the potatoes are soaking, prepare for frying. Fill a large, deep pot or Dutch oven with vegetable oil, leaving enough space at the top to avoid any overflow when the fries are added. Heat the oil to approximately 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Remove the potatoes from the water and pat them dry thoroughly with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Moisture can cause oil to splatter, so it's essential to dry them well. Carefully add a small batch of the dried potato sticks to the hot oil, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they turn pale golden brown. Using a slotted spoon or a spider strainer, remove the partially cooked fries from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate or baking sheet to drain excess oil. Repeat the frying process with the remaining potato sticks, working in small batches to maintain consistent cooking temperature and prevent overcrowding. Once all the fries have been partially cooked, increase the oil temperature to approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Return the partially cooked fries to the hot oil in small batches and fry them for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once again, use a slotted spoon or spider strainer to remove the cooked fries from the oil. Place them on a paper towel-lined plate or baking sheet to drain excess oil. While the fries are still hot, season them with salt to taste. Toss them gently to distribute the salt evenly. Serve the freshly made French fries immediately while they are hot and crispy. Enjoy your homemade French fries. You can pair them with your favorite dipping sauces or enjoy them as a side dish with burgers, sandwiches, or other main courses.